Pwysleisio. Yn y fideo hwn, dyn ni'n mynd i ofyn ac ateb cwestiynau. In this video, we are going to ask and answer questions. Forming questions is easy with emphatic sentences yn Gymraeg. A question tone is used in the voice. Nothing else changes. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Listen to these emphatic questions and repeat out loud. Llyfr Gareth ydy hwn? Is this Gareth's book? Cot Mrs Brown ydy hon? Is this Mrs Brown's coat? Tost ges di frecwast? Did you have toast for breakfast? I Sbaen fyddi di'n mynd ar wyliau? Will you be going to Spain on holidays? Da iawn. The answer forms to questions like these, which do not begin with a verb, are ie, yes, and nage, no, regardless of whether the question is in the past, present, or future tense. Llyfr Gareth ydy hwn? Ie, llyfr Gareth ydy e. Neu nage, llyfr Ben ydy e. Cot Mrs Brown ydy hon? Ie, cot Mrs Brown ydy hi. Neu nage, cot Mrs Samuel ydy hi. Forming negatives is easy as well. We just put dim in front. Tost ges di I frecwast? Nage, dim tost, uwd. I Sbaen fyddi di mynd ar wyliau? Nage, dim Sbaen, ond Ffrainc. Bendigedig. Nawr, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. A chofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo eto I adolygu. Now complete the activities in the unit. And remember, you can watch this video again to revise if you need to. Pob lwc!